Meaning of intensify.
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 Intensify. The word intensify means to increase in strength or degree, to make more intense. It can refer to a wide range of situations and sensations, from physical sensations like pain or heat, to emotional experiences like love or anger, to abstract concepts like competition or conflict. For example, you might intensify your workout routine to build more muscle, or a storm might intensify as it approaches land. In social contexts, people can intensify their friendships or their rivalries, depending on the circumstances. Overall, the word intensify implies a process of heightened intensity or concentration, often leading to greater impact or significance.